Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download anything from Google Play Store as it's stuck on a pending on HTC U23 Pro. To do this, here we have a Google Play Store. Let's try to install Duolingo, and as you can see it's stuck in a pending and it won't begin the actual download. We can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. So open a settings, scroll all the way down and find a system. Click on it and here select date and time. Now make sure that you enable set time automatically, and now the issue should be gone. So we can open a Google Play Store and try to install Duolingo. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.